Today's been all about Smart Sound in Plymouth and the Subsea Connect project, which is providing a underwater infrastructure including positioning for AUVs, but also smart landers for environmental measurements on the seabed. That's gone in the water a few months ago for the first time, and since then we've been working up to a operational status. So today it was all about bringing people from outside of the partnership that we have to see what we've been doing, showing off the elements of that, how it's all working. We've been very brave, we've done it live just to prove that you can, and that's an important part of Smart Sound, is doing that in a live environment. Really important that we work with our partners both at Plymouth Marine Laboratory, which is who hosted us today, but also the University of Plymouth, and together with the Heart of the Southwest LEP that funded this project. That's the grouping that has made this whole thing possible.
So Smart Sound Plymouth's been around since about 2015. It was created as a platform for innovation, so it's working with third parties, industry partners, research partners across the UK and internationally to provide a facility for testing and development in the real world. So it's about putting sensors and equipment offshore of Plymouth and testing them and trialling them and demonstrating their capabilities. The concept of Smart Sound was to build an infrastructure, build a fully connected environment which we could test those sensors. So we have buoy systems at sea, we have autonomous surface vessels and autonomous subsurface capability. And then to bring all that together as a fully connected system, we have a surface communications infrastructure, and then this project has brought together the subsurface capability. This demonstration has been a fantastic opportunity to show our stakeholders the capability that this network brings to Smart Sound, and hopefully engaging with that third party to bring in work and innovation and bring that sort of technology here to Plymouth for them to test and trial in this environment.
So the purpose of today's demonstration was really just to bring potential users of our systems here and show how they can actually work in a real-world setting. So there's always a risk with running a live demonstration. Things don't always work in the marine environment, but fundamentally if you work in a collective team, in our case between university, between Plymouth Marine Laboratory and with Sonardyne as a company, I think we've successfully shown how you can use cutting-edge technology to position, in our case, a vehicle. We deployed a small AUV and we're able to successfully track it in real time and display that back at our base laboratory whilst it was being deployed offshore by a boat-based team.
Sonardyne had asked us to come along and join them for the demo day. They all wanted us to provide some demo experience looking at AUV to AUV comms, so using subsea communications with the abstract systems to do something interesting. We had a little brainstorm about what we might do and came up with a concept of providing a leader-follower behaviour. So having two vehicles in the water, but only one that has a mission, and the other one is tasked simply to listen to the first vehicle, figure out where it is, and then run its own mission on the fly based on the location of the first vehicle. So that's what we set out to do. We also wanted to use benefit from the USBL aided navigation that we can get through the Ranger 2 system using our abstracts on board. So we have live streaming and location correction from the USBL system to inform the vehicles on their position underwater. So a USBL aided navigation, and then we had a vehicle following another vehicle using the acoustic comms to do that. It was quite a fun project. We only had a few days of testing out with you guys, so it was almost like a mini hackathon for ecoSUB to come out and play with something cool and see what we can do.
So really excited. It's the start of a journey rather than the end of one, but really cool tech, and we're super excited about the future of Smart Sound.